Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basuraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 2, video number 2. In this module, we will be discussing about digital marketing and concepts of digital marketing. Today, we shall see the introduction and meaning of digital marketing. Digital marketing is often confused with online marketing. Digital marketing is not just a mere online marketing, but here, digital marketing is the process of promoting a brand, service, or product on the internet. That is, with the help of internet, we process of we involve ourselves in a process of promoting a brand, service, or a product with the help of internet. Digital marketing differs from traditional marketing in that it involves the use of online channels and methods that enables business and organizations to monitor the success of their marketing campaigns, often in real time, to better understanding what does and doesn't work. Here, in today's scenario, if you see, because of this COVID pandemic, everywhere there is a lockdown. But this marketing activities are continuously on of every business. But they have changed the mode of marketing. The previous traditional way of marketing has been adopted by digital marketing. Now you can see the medical equipments, then the basic essentials, vegetables, everything is available on digital platform. So the companies are using this digital platform, that is with the help of internet, and trying to establish their business or do marketing with the help of this digital mode. What is digital marketing? The first approach to digital marketing defined it as a projection of conventional marketing, its tools and strategies on internet. This was said by Otro and Roland in the year 2016. What does they say is, they are trying to say that digital marketing, it is a projection of conventional marketing. Whatever the conventional marketing or traditional marketing activities we used to do, all the same activities are done with the help of internet. This is known as digital marketing. The marketing concepts what we used to do in a traditional way have been, or we will do the same things on internet or with the help of digital platform. This is defined as online marketing also, web marketing or internet marketing. The term digital marketing became popular over time, especially in certain countries. In our country, after say 2000, the importance for digital marketing has gained up very high. So, marketing has become the most common term, especially after the year 2013. Digital marketing is an umbrella or umbrella term for the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mostly on the internet, but also includes mobile phones, display, advertisement, and any other digital terms as well. So, in broader sense, this digital marketing is, say, a process of branding, pricing, promoting, marketing, distributing, etc. All the marketing activities, what we used to do in a traditional way, all those activities are done on internet with the help of digital platform. Here today, if you on any social media, you will see one or the other ad. Forward messages on your WhatsApp, their ads are there. The Facebook, if you on, their ads will come. On your Instagram, their ads are there. So at every platform, you will see the advertisement, products promotion, pricing, marketing. All activities are done with the help of internet. So digital marketing is the use of the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other channels to reach consumers. Some marketing experts consider digital marketing to be an entirely new endeavor that requires a new way of approaching customers and new way of understanding how customers behave compared to traditional marketing. So, this process of digital marketing has gained a very important say role in this scenario, where we use search engines like Google and other things, Internet Explorer, Google, Firefox, all these search engines we use, and we try to find out, or we try to promote some or the other product. We try to say do ad of some or the other product, or we are doing marketing activities by a special consideration on digital platform. This is a brief introduction to digital marketing. Digital marketing is a form of marketing for promoting and selling products or services on the internet. It's the process of leveraging different online marketing channels like search engines, social media networks, and emails to reach your target audience. So it is a process of reaching the target audience with the help of internet and doing marketing activities on digital platform. This digital marketing is gained a very important role in the present as well as in future days, because here people are always linked with the internet, either on social media, email, or on smartphones. So this digital media or digital marketing has used this platform for promoting, branding, pricing, and distributing the products, or bringing awareness about the products with the help of internet and digital platform like search engines, social media networks, emails, etc., to reach the target audience and say market the product. So a 2 marks question may come, what do you mean by digital marketing? In that you all can write any of these points and get 2 marks on digital marketing. In tomorrow's class we shall see the definition and other concepts of digital marketing. Thank you. Good day.